In this video, I will show you how to use Temu Virtual Try-On feature. First, launch open the Temu app on your device. At the moment, Temu does not offer an in-app virtual try-on tool that lets you upload a photo and see how clothing looks on your body. Instead, what you can do is search for the item that you want. Now browse through the category section to find clothing, then tap on the product that you're interested in. Next, use the filters option to select your preferred size, color, and other options. Then you want to tap on the show results option. Now, based on these photos, you can check how the item looks and fits. Next thing you can do is on the product page, you want to check the customer photo, videos, reviews, and size feedback to get a better idea of how item looks and fits before placing your order. So right now, Temu does not have a try-on feature, but you can use these steps to get an idea about how the item will look and fit. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.